Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 11th of January 2026, and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 16th for Tesla. So the max OI level for CE and PE have decreased, that's negative. The quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Change is higher for CE, that's positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. And the PCR is still below 1, so that's positive as well. Implied and historical volatility have decreased, that's two positives. The RSI is lower, that should be a negative. There is no divergence, that is positive. And the MACD is negative. The DMI is positive. The ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is slightly lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is lower, that's negative. And the candlestick is bearish. The current support and resistance are both 450. The previous support was 470, and the previous resistance was 500. The overall prediction is still that Tesla will go up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.